Hello, welcome back my amazing viewers to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in today's video we'll be making Ofeda Stew, which is normally known by the Yorubas. Okay, so while cooking, let me tell you what you need to know about content creation. But before that, if today is your first time coming across this page, or you're just in this page for the first time, you're welcome. And this is Cook with Grace Kisui. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more interesting videos like this. And please, you can tell us where you're watching us from, so that in my next video I will give you a big hug. So one thing I want to say is, why I cook the stew, let me just you a story. As a content creator, it's never easy, because as a beginner you have to struggle with a lot of things, just like finances in terms of buying your data. Okay, so if you are this kind of person that don't have any means of income, creating content and posting frequently, you will find it very difficult. Like me, sometimes after a hectic day at work, I still come back home, try to create content during weekends. You see, it's not going to be easy, because I have to wash clothes, clean the environment, and still cook, and still make content. So guys, creating content is all about dedication, commitment, and consistency. And as for me, food is something I love so much. I have passion for. That's why I go for it, because as they say, go for what you love doing. You see the joy in me whenever I'm cooking. So guys, please, if you want to hear more about content creating, I want to know more about how to get your niche in content creation, follow me for part 2. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.